Out with our facts. We look up here, almost everybody has met their October 1st goal. Okay, and now people are working on their next goal, which is way over there, and it says November 20, what does it say, Paige?
8.
November 28th, and we need to be past times 11 by November 20th. Your study, what kind of things can you do to study while you're waiting for your turn to test? Sergio?
You can use the multiplication.
You can use the practice tests right here, correct?
And then the whiteboard.
Okay, somebody else will give me another one. Thank you, Sergio. Jonah, another one?
Well, after you get the paper and once you memorize them, you can try to do it in your head.
You can try to do it in your head, okay? Giovanni? You can get a whiteboard out and write out your times tables, whatever times table you're on, you can write it out here. Thank you. So you may quietly find what you want to study. As soon as everybody is studying, I'll start calling it.
So are you girls practicing?
Yeah.
Do you feel like Fat Car Rally helps you with your multiplication tables?
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you interviewing us? Yeah.
I like Fat Car Rally. It's really fun.
Yeah, it is. Especially when we get to hang out with our friends too.
So you guys enjoy doing Fat Car Rally?
Yes, we do.
I think it's better than what we used to do, because we used to do rocket math, and I felt like that was so complicated. But this makes it more fun, and so it makes it easier for us to understand.
Let's start with the middle two tables today. So if you normally sit on one of the middle two table groups, you could come on back if you'd like to test.
Mixed twos.
Mixed twos. All right, name, then turn it over. On your mark. Get set. Go.
The students have 1 minute to complete their tests. They can miss 2. If it's a mixed test, they can only miss 1.
What did you just do? 5?
Done.
Yes. 7.
Yes.
Did I correct yours already?
I don't know.
Come on,
I wasn't paying attention because I was talking.
Like 541, That's lanes. Handwriting.
No, sorry. Good job. Trey. 10 times 11. You gotta tell me 10 times 11 equals 110. Say that 3 times.
10 times 11 equals 110. 10 times 11 equals 110. 10 times 11 equals 110.
Okay, we're gonna mark that on there.
Good.
And you can miss 2, so you survived that. But I want you to make sure you practice that one right there. Okay? So you're good. Excuse me. Okay, right? 10s are easy. Samuel.
How many goldfish?
3. Bryant, you're on mixed. So mixed is a little harder to correct because it's not following that pattern. Yeah, I got to look at the problem, don't I? And I can't just look at the sequence. Good job.
Thank you.
You can take 3 goldfish as well. And notice Bryant is watching to see that I've marked his answer.
Did I get a goldfish before? Volleyball sandwich.
Only missed 1, so she's okay. Students keep their form, their answer sheet with the star on it to prove that they passed it if later on I forgot to mark their stars. You put that up on my front table. Good job. All right. 2 more table groups. Sergio's table group. Zach's table group.
Students are allowed to use their cell phones as long as they do not abuse the privilege. They can use them for timers and calculators when they are practicing.
With 23 seconds counting.
These are the students' cards. You see how they progress as they travel along the road.
Kind of tedious, but if you have help from a wonderful educational assistant, it's not so bad. All the cars have this hug-tight stuff on the back that you buy at the hardware store or the educational store, and so they're real easy to move, and they don't mar your walls. We usually only move cars once a week, but it's up to you if you want to do it every day.